Hi, my name is Sam and welcome to TechBrain. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get your Telegram account back when you lost it. So how to recover your Telegram account. First step, in this example I have Telegram, but you're gonna go and open the Internet Explorer and you're gonna type in the Google search box Telegram support. And the first option, that's what we need. So it's very easy. You just fill in this text box, describe your problem. The more information you give Telegram, the bigger the chance is you get your account back. So describe the problem. Enter your mobile phone number and the latest location when you used Telegram. Enter your email and phone number and submit. You will get a response of the support team of Telegram within 24 hours. This is the way you can recover your Telegram account. If you have any further questions about Telegram, please let me know down below in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye.